Some firms are replacing workers with prompts, not punch cards. And the payoff? 20 times cost savings you can actually measure. Welcome to the show. I'm your host, and today we're tearing into a study with a headline you won't forget. Payrolls to prompts, a look at how firms substitute labor for AI. The big question is simple but powerful. Are companies swapping people for programs? And if so, how fast and how much? The answer is yes, and the numbers are telling a story about costs and choices in the real world. The researchers pulled a unique firm-level dataset, tracking thousands of firms from 2021 to 2025, watching two things in parallel: how much they paid for online labor marketplaces and how much they spent on AI model providers. It's like watching a company's budget and fast forward, task by task. The logic is substitution. When an AI tool can handle a job that used to require a person, some of that labor gets redirected. Firms aren't just buying tech for novelty, they're reallocating human effort to higher value tasks. And the data show this isn't just a rumor, it's measurable behavior across hundreds or thousands of firms with real spend numbers behind it. One of the clearest findings is what economists call the substitution rate. For every $1 of labor that's replaced, firms spend about 3 cents on AI tools. 3 cents to replace $1 of work. That's the math talking, loud and clear, and the implications are striking. The study estimates roughly a 20 to 25-fold cost saving from AI-driven substitution, at least in the observed segment. But the authors push back on a simple doom narrative. This is micro-level, not macro-level evidence. Some jobs shrink, others swell, especially roles that design, deploy, and maintain AI systems. In other words, AI isn't just pruning payrolls, it's reshaping the skill set and the tasks that firms prize. The heterogeneity matters too. Firms with bigger AI shocks show stronger substitution. So what should you take away? If you're managing people, audit workflows for automation, identify bottlenecks, and reskill where human judgment still shines. If you're a policy thinker, ask how micro-substitutions translate into broader labor market dynamics. And if you love this breakdown, hit subscribe and share with someone who should hear that AI is changing the economics of work, one tiny spend at a time.